So, ano tong contract budget base? So, yung contract budget base is yung sum ng contract, it is the contract cost plus cost of authorized and price work. So, yung cost of authorized and price work, ito yung definite effort. Ito yung definite effort pero hindi pa na-negotiate. Kumbaga, ito talaga yung presyo na hindi pa napag-uusapan kung pwede o hindi. Yun yung specific amount pero hindi pa napag-uusapan kung payag yung dalawang partido. Remember, pag contract yan, it is agreement between two persons. So yun yung hindi pa napag-uusapan, hindi pa na-negotiate. So yung kaya nga tinawag na authorized and price work kasi hindi pa na-negotiate kung okay. Then kung okay, saka lang siya magiging authorized price work. So yun, no? So yung contract budget base pala is yun ang components, no, yung contract cost plus yung authorized and price work. So yun yung contract budget, yun yung yun yung budget base to yun yung baseline ng contract price mo. So yun ang alam na natin sa project management. So na-enhance na naman yung ating project management knowledge. So, yun lang po.